Your pool's filter is a vital part of your pool's health and maintenance. While pool sanitising products such as chlorine help to clean bacteria, your pool filter is the component which removes these contaminants from the water. And because of this, it's important to know what type of filter is best for your pool. Sand media filters and cartridge filters are both great options, but each has its own strengths. So let's jump in now to talking about the differences between sand and cartridge filters to find out what's best for you. Let's start with sand filters, also known as media filters. As the name suggests, sand media filters use sand or glass media to filter out fine particles. With me today is one of our resident pool experts to talk about this in more detail.
That's right. So these filters work by cycling water through a canister containing sand or glass media. As the water passes through the media, larger debris particles are blocked, allowing for the clean water to pass right through. Media filters are also easier to clean than their cartridge counterparts. You just have to set the filter to backwash for 3 to 5 minutes. They're also more time efficient.
Now let's talk about cartridge filters. Cartridge filters are made from spun polyester, and they're a great choice for smaller pools and for spas. They also save a lot on water because there's no need to backwash the filter to clean it.
The cartridge filters are easy to replace, and although they do require more regular maintenance and changes than sand media filters, cartridge filters are more compact, so they fit into a smaller installation space.
Choosing the right pool filter for your needs depends upon a range of factors, including pool size, installation, maintenance, time efficiency, and water consumption. By knowing about the type of filter that you'll be installing, you'll be able to ensure the best outcome for your pool.
There are a range of sand filters and cartridge filters to choose from, so come and have a chat to your local Poolwerx expert to find the right fit for you. For more tips on filter maintenance, check out the next video here or click the link in the description. And for more pool smart tips and DIYs, why not check out the rest of the series?
You'll find a range of filter products online or in-store with Poolwerx. If you don't know where your nearest Poolwerx is, simply click on the link above to find out.